got an unboxing today. So we were invited to Louis Vuitton's Nashville Boutiques Valentine event, and by our fabulous client advisor Brooks. And so went in thinking maybe look at a little bracelet or something small. You know how it goes when you go in there with that attitude. Intended for that to be the case, but didn't happen. Got a promotion at work this week, so I thought maybe it would be time for a girl boss bag, and this was not on my radar at all. And Brooks brought it out, and I went, oh my gosh, I have to have it. So super fun. Comes with a cool different style of bag. It's thicker, it's embroidered, pretty nice. And here she is. My very first Capucines, the GM style, the Souple, I'm sorry, I'm not sure how to say it. It's the supple leather, so it's pretty soft. It's not as structured as the smaller Capucines, but it's in black leather, and it's got a shoulder strap here that comes with it. You can see kind of the inside is the standard fit of a Capucines, and the flap can hang over top like this with a little clover on it, or tuck in here like so. It's an awesome bag. It's just a girl boss bag, and so once I tried it on, I said, this is a girl boss bag, and I'm a girl boss, so I made this bag. So I love it, and I'm so excited. Thank you, Brooks, for showing her to me.